Now we shall see a problem related to inclined venturimeter. The problem is like this: a 20 centimeter by 10 centimeter venturimeter is inserted in a vertical pipe carrying oil of specific gravity 0.8. The flow of oil is in upward direction and the difference of level between throat and inlet section is 50 centimeters. The oil mercury differential manometer gives a reading of 30 centimeters of mercury. Find the discharge of oil. This is a fairly straightforward question. Let us write the equation of discharge for a venturimeter first, and let us identify the unknowns. So the equation is Q equal to CD A1 A2 root 2GH divided by root of A1 square minus A2 square, where A1 is the area of inlet and A2 is the area of throat. Now in this question, we don't have the value of CD. CD is not given, but here they have said that neglect all losses. Now what is CD? CD is a ratio of actual discharge to theoretical discharge. Actual discharge to theoretical discharge. And you have to remember the fact that actual discharge will always be less than theoretical discharge. Actual discharge by theoretical discharge. Actual discharge will always be less than the theoretical discharge. And why is actual discharge always less than theoretical discharge? It's because in actual case there are number of losses. There may be loss due to friction, loss due to what you call it as obstruction, sudden expansion, etc. There are a number of losses, and because of these losses the actual discharge is always less than theoretical discharge. And since they have said that we can neglect all losses, actual discharge will be equal to theoretical discharge. So CD will be equal to 1. So if in a problem there is a reference like this, neglect all losses, you can take CD equal to 1. Okay, you can take CD equal to 1. Because they have said that we can neglect all discharge. So CD, the issue problem CD we have solved. Now we have H. Let us write the equations for H. H has got 4 equations, 3 or 4 equations. H equal to P1 by rho G plus Z1 minus P2 by rho G plus Z2, which is in turn equal to X into Sg by S0 minus 1, or X into 1 minus S0 by SL. Now how to choose this equation or this equation? That depends upon the specific gravity of manometric fluid and specific gravity of fluid in pipe. So since the specific gravity of manometric fluid is 13.6, as they have said that they are using mercury differential manometer, and the specific gravity of the fluid flowing through the pipe is 0.8, as they have said that this using an oil of specific gravity 0.8, we can use this equation, because if you use this equation the value of H will become negative. That's not acceptable. So H is equal to X, that is the reading of mercury differential manometer, mercury oil differential manometer 0.3 times 13.6 by 0.8 minus 1. That will be equal to 4.8 meters h. Now we can directly substitute this value over here and you will get the value of Q. And value of Q, I have already done it. Value of Q is equal to 78.725 liters per second.